Check this out and let me know what you think. Well, I don't know for you guys, but personally, I'm not really surprised. There is a saying in French that says, un arbre qui tombe fait plus de bruit qu'une forêt qui pousse. Basically saying, a tree that falls down makes more noise than a forest that's growing. And I'm saying this because I know that there are so many foreigners that actually go to Japan with respect for the culture and the people, the locals, right? But at the same time, there are other foreigners who give all of us a very bad reputation because they're just creating so much damage and chaos because they have a different mentality. They go to Japan absolutely entitled. And look, I'm in Canada and I make a lot of content for people who want to learn Japanese. And a lot of you guys want to go to Japan, right? So I'm saying this, the most obvious thing. Please, guys, if you go to Japan or any country around the world, actually, if you go there, please respect the locals, the people who are welcoming you to their own country, right? Respect the culture. Am I asking for too much? Come on. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm really curious, all right? So yeah, for real language learning tips, you can follow me, all right? So love, positivity, take care, behave yourself, okay? Ciao.